Boxycharm Facebook forums, any one of them, or any makeup forum that invited me to join. I promised. So if you're not interested in knowing what's going to be in the August box, you should leave, because I'm about to tell you. Our number one sneak peek for the month of August is this. Okay, hopefully you like the item. That was our sneak peek. Thank you. No, just kidding. I didn't show anything. I will actually tell you what the sneak peek is. I'll just reveal the first two brands that will be in the box. First brand is gonna be Smashbox and Laura Lee Los Angeles. Alright, so each and every one of you in the month of August will have a product from Laura Lee Los Angeles and Smashbox. That's it for now. Coming out this month, if you keep watching my channel or going to any other Facebook forum or other places, I'll tell you over there, or maybe I'll tell you from there where to go to see the next one.